In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Expensify account. If you've decided you no longer need Expensify, or you're switching to a different tool, it's important to properly close your account so your data is removed and you're not tempted to keep paying for a service you don't use. I'll walk you through the process step by step on the web version of Expensify, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, sign into your Expensify account in your browser. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a sidebar with different options and icons. In that sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Account. This is where Expensify keeps all of your personal settings, including the option to close your account. When you're in the Account section, you'll see several tabs or categories of settings. Look for the one labeled Security and click on that. The Security section is where Expensify groups all of the sensitive actions related to your account, such as password changes and account closure, which is why the option we need is located here. After you open the security page, scroll through the options until you find the one that says Close Account. It may appear as a link or a button, usually toward the bottom of the page, because closing an account is considered a more serious action. Go ahead and click on Close Account. Once you click it, Expensify will typically bring up a confirmation screen. This is an extra step to make sure you really want to proceed, since closing your account can be permanent and may delete your reports, receipts, and any stored information. On this confirmation page, you'll again see an option labeled Close Account. Take a moment here to double check that you've saved or exported any data you might need later, such as expense reports for taxes or reimbursements. If you're sure you're ready, click Close Account one more time to confirm. After you do this, Expensify will process your request and your account will be scheduled for closure. You may receive a confirmation message on screen and possibly an email, letting you know that the account has been closed or is in the process of being closed, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted your Expensify account by navigating to the account sidebar, opening the security settings, and confirming the Close Account option.